Levels of management. Management is a group activity. So, every organization consists of number of persons who are placed at different position to perform different responsibilities. In order to discharge this responsibility, they are also given necessary authority. On the basis of extent and amount of authority and responsibility, a chain of superior subordinate relationship is created. This chain is known as hierarchy or levels of management. The hierarchy of management positions from top to bottom is called levels of management. In an organization, three levels of management are usually identified: top level management, middle level management, and operational or supervisory or lower level of management. So, levels of a manager determine the amount of authority and status enjoyed by him. The various positions included each level are top level, middle level, and operational level. Top level management. Top level consists of the senior most executives of the organization. Top management is a team consisting of managers from different functional levels: heading, finance, marketing, etc. For example, chief finance officer, vice president of marketing, etc. Top level includes board of directors, chairman, chief executive officer, chief operating officer, chief financial officer, president, vice president, general manager, and other senior executives. These top level managers are responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization. Main functions of the top level management are to integrate diverse elements and coordinate the activities of different departments according to the overall objective of the organization. Top level remains in contact with the government competitors, suppliers, etc. So, it analyzes the business environment and its implications for the survival of the firm. To formulate overall organizational goals and strategies for their achievement, to arrange resources of men, machines, materials, and money to achieve the desired goals. They are responsible for all the activities of the business and for its impact on society. The job of top management is complex and stressful, demanding long hours and commitment to the organization. Middle level acts as a link between top and lower level management. This level subordinate to top management and superior to operational management. They are usually known as division heads, operation manager, or plant superintendent. Middle level consists of divisional or departmental heads like purchase manager, production management, finance manager, marketing manager, personnel manager, and other executive officers attached to different departments like operational management, plant superintendent, etc. Next is operational or supervisory or lower level management. It is the lowest level on the hierarchy of management. They are also called as first line managers. The authority and responsibility of this level is limited according to plans drawn by the top management. Operational management consists of supervisors, foreman, superintendent, section officers, and other members directly concerned with the control of operating employees. Main functions of operational management: to oversee the efforts of the workforce, to interact with the actual workforce and to pass on instructions of the middle management to the workers, to ensure that the quality of output is maintained, wastages of materials is minimized, and safety standards are maintained. The quality of workmanship and the quantity of output depends on the hard work, discipline and loyalty of the workers, and the workers are to be managed by operational level managers.